Hey Ashley, I'm going to another rave. So we're going to this Vellum rave. This is follow the Sky Rave. It's supposed to be like space themed, so I'm going as an alien. I'll try my best, guys. I don't know. Got some accessories and have my killer clowns from outer space little gun. Hopefully that's chill. And also my boss, he literally gave me these cool glow sticks. They're gonna look so cool at night. Let me turn it on. Is that not so cool? Okay, I have to go pick up Finn. Hopefully I'm not too late. Guys, it's so dark, but
hi guys.
We're back with Finn. We're walking, we can't find where the heck we're supposed to sign in, but everybody's here. Slushies! Oh no, that's not slushies. Okay, so this is where the food is, and the rave is that way. Dude, it looks crazy on my camera, look.
Oh my god.
Okay, we took a break.
Yes.
This is Finn's fit check. Wow.
Here, let's do yours.
Okay. Super basic. We're in the middle of the parking lot. The rave is that way, and we're gonna wait for Patience and Dylan.
Yay!
Guys, I got my glow sticks. They're so cool.
My phone's on 14%.
Bro, I'm scared for you. I think we're just tuba! Yay! We oh my god! Say a little tribute to Ashley.
Ashley tribute. I saw them the one night and it changed my life. Really.
I've never met you, but I think of you. I think of you
So much.
I better find a hug or I'm gonna be pissed.
Yes, dude. No, there's so many people. They're already like.
They're like taken. I
Trust. You're gonna be good.
I want a man.
Oh my god,
I smell the weed in the air.
No, yes. Oh my god, this is so fun.
Your man. Oh, thank you. I'm dead.
Yeah, I think I did.
Fuck yeah. I kind of need to pee too, and I'm glad they have porta potties.
Yeah.
Can we stop at the porta potty?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay. You won't leave me, right?
No,
I'll be fast.
no, dude. I do not want to go by myself. I'm scared.
You look so.
You're gonna wait. Oh my god. No, it's okay. Dude, I'm too scared to be by myself, honestly,
Yeah.
so.
Hopefully it goes quick.
Yeah, I don't want to get, like, stabbed. You never know when you're gonna get stabbed.
Yeah, bro.
Be careful out here, guys. I would not do this if I were you. Like, honestly. But it's fine. It's cool. But I'm scared.
Okay, dance from out here.
Yeah. It's there for you. Come on.
No, it's coming at 2:20, babe.
Okay.
I'm so excited though.
Me too, dude. I was scared. Dude, I was scared it was him playing.
The guy?
I don't know. I hope so.
I think this is James.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I
Long
hope-
blonde hair. Flapjack.
Yes.
Yeah, this is James. Flapjack doesn't come on until 2:20.
I lost my wallet. Bro. I'm so scared. I don't know where my wallet is. We did a whole round at the floor and we literally can't find it. Kinda scared. Hashtag awkward. Okay, so it's the next day. I made it to work. We got home at like 5 in the morning, and so it's 10 right now. I got 2 hours of sleep. I'm literally so tired. The last thing I remember from yesterday was I lost my wallet. They found it. They had a lost and found. I grabbed it, but my $25 got stolen. So awesome. Oh my god, I don't know, but I was so tired. And I remember I was like fighting for my life, trying to stay awake, getting home. But yeah, I got home at 5 in the morning, and I'm so tired. But guys, I'm employed, so lock in, guys.